Coming up, welcome Intel on digital signage, IoT, and retail experiences.
You're watching YBL TV.
What is your role with the Internet of Things at Intel?
I'm responsible for visual retail, which is part of the Retail Solutions Division, which is part of the overall group of the Internet of Things at Intel. And in the Visual Retail Solutions Group, what we're focusing on is on digital signage across all the vertical industries, interactive kiosks, intelligent vending and dispensing, digital jukeboxes, interactive whiteboards, basically platforms that are interactive and integrate large screens into them.
And what are some of the retail solutions Intel's providing?
We have worked on a number of different solutions. We work with the world's leading brands. In the last 3 years, we have worked with Costa Coffee, Adidas, Lego, and we basically engage with them to understand their pain points and understand their business problems. And then we work to develop technology solutions that address those business problems for them. So here at the Digital Signage Expo, we're demonstrating solutions, for example, with outdoor kiosks for smart cities. We're demonstrating a solution with Accenture for connected restaurants, where we have a number of solutions that are very interactive, that are very engaging, that are fun, that really touch the consumer. When we work with brands, it's really important that we understand that we can communicate what the value proposition of the solution is to the brand and the retailer, but also how are we going to benefit the consumer? How are we improving the life of the consumer? Are we delivering a more fun experience, a more engaging experience, or simply increasing productivity for the consumer?
And what is the role of Intel specifically in digital signage?
We play a key role in the ecosystem for digital signage. The analysts predict today that anywhere in the world where you travel, that about 3 out of 4 screens are now running an Intel architecture. So that is fantastic. We work with OEMs to develop the latest technology for media players. We are responsible for the compute engine that drives the media players that drive the displays. So we work with the ODMs with entry-level solutions, mainstream and high-end. In fact, we work with Sharp Electronics and AOpen to create a new standard, a new specification for media players that's called Mini OPS, or Mini Open Pluggable Specification, which is about half the size of the original specification. The original specification has become a pseudo standard for the industry now, and there's about 40 manufacturers worldwide that develop media players based on our OPS specification.
It's fantastic. Tell me a little more about the products we're seeing here today at the show at Intel, like On The Go, Magic Mirror.
Yeah, the Magic Mirror is really an exciting application. We work with Samsung and an agency partner, Miriam, and we have developed a solution that now is being deployed in jewelry stores through Hong Kong and China. And basically, it's an engaging experience where the consumer can come in and virtually try different pieces of jewelry, take pictures, share them with their friends through social media, get immediate feedback to see what they like, what they don't like. And it's just a really engaging solution, and it's driving sales. It's lifting sales for the brand.
Well, there's the proof.
Yes.
And what about On The Go?
On the go. So we're working with a company called Civic that is developing outdoor interactive kiosks for smart cities. So some of these kiosks are now being deployed in train stations in New York City, and it's basically a way to help New Yorkers with the latest information. New Yorkers know how to use their trains, so when they use the kiosks, they're looking for the latest information, they're trying to figure out what is the fastest route to get to my house, or has something changed? Are some escalators that are not working? You know, for example, if I'm in a wheelchair. So they want to get the latest information about the system and how the system is operating.
Excellent.